and vote which ones need to be donated because I have a problem and I need to get rid of some of them. Hi! Thank you! Yes, cupcakes is what I made and they're over there. Where are the cupcakes? They're already done. I've been on here for a minute. So, if you just got on, you missed the cupcake haul. And now I just made chicken and rice, or creamy chicken and rice soup, or whatever it's called, so. You just got out of work. Thank you. Thank you. You're so nice. All right. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Yes, my cupcakes are going to be really good. I don't have any tattoos. No tattoos. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm all happy. Hey, Texas. Awesome. All right. See, I got distracted by you guys making me feel all sweet. So I didn't stir my soup. Okay. You can find all that on my Only Andy page, which is Only Andy OF on Instagram and Twitter. And it's ANDI. And you can also go to the top of TikTok and click the camera and it'll take you right. I tried to do that earlier. It was like just as awkward as the second time. Well, thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll be on in probably tomorrow with my thigh-high boots, so you'll get to see all of the boots that I have, and tell me which ones I need to chunk and which ones I need to keep.